So hello sir, this is the topic 3. Topic 3. So cross-site scripting. So I found the search input box type. So find a search bar, search or input form. Locate a search bar, comment box, or any input field. Dito, wala natin on. Off muna natin, tapos mamaya yung locate a search bar. Sa Alturo for test fire. In search bar, kaya test. So on natin. And then search. So dito, type HTTP direction request. Yung sa URL niya, meron siyang queries equal to test. So ito. So dito sa query test, ito natin papalit yung script alert. This is XSS attack script. So dito, changes. Ayun. Makita nyo itong iba yung code niya. Then, I found a search box input box. I type some, so yung nilagay natin test. Now, na-replace na natin yung script alert exists attack. And forwarding the request. So, forward natin yung request. And then, and here an alert pops. So, tingnan natin yung alert. Yun. XSS attack. So, this means the site is reflecting unsanitized input directly to the page, allowing attackers to inject scripts to prevent XSS sanitize and escape all users' input before rendering viewers browsers. Okay, search result. Test. Off natin. Test. Palitan. Forward. Then yung XSS attack. Search result. So yun lang.